Brothers and sisters, let the congregation arise. Hey, welcome back. I'm so glad you could make it. As most of you know, I'm a chopperhead and proud of it. Today we're going to go up to the annual Congregation Vintage Motorcycle Show in Charlotte, North Carolina. So a little bit about Camp North End. Very cool building. In 1924, it was built as a state-of-the-art factory and showroom to show off Henry Ford's new invention, the assembly line, where they built the Model T. In 1941, the U.S. Army bought the facility as a supply depot because of its numerous railroad connections. For years, it supplied a lot of the facilities in the Southeast. In 1956, it was recommissioned as a project facility where they built things like Hercules missiles. In 1967, it was decommissioned and sold to be a warehouse for Eckert Pharmacy, which was later purchased by Rite Aid Drugs. And it served as a pharmacy warehouse until 2016. In 2017, it was opened back up to the public and became the home of Prism Supply Company and the Congregation Vintage Motorcycle Show. Fun fact for you. Camp North End stands for Charlotte Area Missile Plant. So that was the second annual Congregation Vintage Motorcycle Show. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a glimpse. Thanks again to the people at Prism Supply Company who gave me access so I could bring that to you. It's a great show and I absolutely recommend it. What I didn't show you in this video were the number of cars that show up every year. And just to keep the length of this video down, I'm going to show those in a part 2 video that'll be following. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you again. Thank you for showing up and joining me for it. I appreciate your time and I will see you next time. Thanks.